Assalamu alaikum. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. May Almighty's blessings be upon all of us. Today I'm going to show you how to make dry fruit and basil seed or sabza or babribyol and dry fruit sharbat. Babribyol is like an emotion for Kashmiris in Ramadan. I have already shown you a basic recipe of babribyol or basil seeds drink that we make in Ramadan in Kashmir. I will leave a link for that in description box. Today I'll show you how we can add dry fruits to babribyol and make it more nutritious. Babribyol or basil seeds is believed to be introduced by Emperor Babur in Kashmir. That's why they are often referred as seeds of Babur also. Basil seeds or babribyol are supposed to have cooling effect, and with adding dry fruits they become powerhouse of nutrition. So let's get started. For making this, I have taken some cashews. Here you can see it will be around 1 tablespoon of cashews, 1 tablespoon of almonds and 1 tablespoon of pistachios. Then sugar you can adjust according to your taste. Then I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of milk powder. Then I have taken a pinch of saffron and basil seeds around 2 teaspoons, or you can add more or less according to your taste. And I have taken half a liter of milk. Here you can see. We start with soaking basil seeds or babribyol in water. For that we have to wash them first and then soak them in water. They will swell up, so I'll keep them aside. Then I have made powder of the dry fruits that I have taken. Here you can see this is the powder. And then I'll be adding milk powder to it. Here you can see, and I'll mix both of them. You can make very fine powder of dry fruit. This is slightly coarse, but you have to make very fine powder of dry fruits. I start with heating up the milk. We have to boil it, and here I am adding around 1 cup of water to it, and I will let it boil. And I am adding 2 green cardamoms here that I have not shown you earlier. So here you can see it has started to boil. We have to bring it to boil. And then I'll be adding soaked saffron. I had soaked saffron in water. And after that I'll be adding powdered dry fruit and milk powder mix. While adding the dry fruit powder and milk powder, we have to make sure we have to keep stirring so that no lumps are formed. So here you can see. So we have to keep it stirring, and we have to keep it let it boil for around 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. Once the dry fruit powder is mixed properly, we will let it boil on low flame for around 7 minutes. Dry fruits you can adjust more or less according to your taste. You can add more dry fruits of your choice like walnuts or dried dates. So here I'll add sugar also. Sugar you can adjust according to your taste. So here you can see it has been boiling for a while. I'll check this. I'll show you the thickness also. It has thickened also. So at this stage I'll turn off the flame and I will let it cool down. Turn off the flame and let it come to room temperature. After a few hours it has come to room temperature. Here is the milk and here are the soaked basil seeds. So first I'll transfer basil seeds to the serving glasses. It depends on your choice how much basil seeds you want in your beverage. Then I'll be adding milk. Make sure to mix the milk mixture properly so that the dry fruits also go with the drink. Here you can see. Then for garnishing I have used some pistachios and saffron strands. Serve it chilled. It's one of the refreshing drinks for the iftar. It's loaded with nutrition and is amazing in taste. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments. Do remember in your duas. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.